everyone, welcome back. Today I have another exciting unboxing to share with you guys. As you can see, it's a Chanel unboxing, and if you watched my last unboxing, which I believe I posted just over a week ago, you might be able to guess what this is, but I'm going to get right into it and then I'll kind of explain why I chose this. So let's get right into the unboxing. This is a true unboxing. I literally just got home from picking this up and it's been a bit of a long day and I'm tired, and I've also been sick this week, but I still wanted to do this unboxing because I enjoy true unboxings. So anyway, this is the bag and receipt, and here is the beautiful packaging. Let's take that off. It was a bit of an adventure trying to get this today because I got it from the Chanel at Yorkdale Mall in Toronto, and there was a power outage in the mall. So Chanel was not allowed to open its doors until the power came back on, which took a very long time. So it was, it was a little bit frustrating, but anyway, it came back on and I got it, so that was good. So here is the box, and here is the tissue. I have to do this without ripping it. There we go. And here is the dust bag and the care booklet to reveal. Oh, I think it's in tissue again. You can kind of see what it is. Oh, she always packages things so nicely, but it's, yeah, there we go. Here is my new mini reissue 2.55 in the metallic blue color with ruthenium hardware from 19K. And I did mention in my last unboxing that I was thinking of getting this in addition to the black or gray, what one, Chanel calls it black. I unboxed that last week, and but I couldn't stop thinking about this blue color, and my SA was able to get one for me, so I ended up getting it. So it's really pretty. Now they also had the green, so there's this blue. It comes in, the metallic sheepskin comes in 4 colors for the mini reissue. It comes in the black or gray, whatever you want to call it, the beige, the blue, this blue, and a green. And they had the green today too, and it was beautiful. It was sort of a turquoisey green, but it was very similar to my turquoise cocoa handle. So I'll just show you that quickly. It was very similar to this green, or this turquoise. And I thought, you know, I don't need 2 colors that are kind of an iridescent or metallic turquoise like this. Obviously it had ruthenium hardware, not this aged gold, but still it was very similar, a very similar look. And then this blue, I really don't have anything this color, so I went with this one, and I'm really glad I did. It's beautiful. I'll just show you it next to the black or gray. So I felt like they were different enough, clearly, that, you know, having both was okay. And I used my navy one because I did mention that I was thinking of selling my navy one to get this blue one. And I brought this one today and used it to see, and they are so different. They are different colors, obviously, different leather. This is aged calfskin and this is metallic sheepskin. This has different hardware. It's shiny gold. This is the ruthenium. And yeah, so they're very different. So I am going to keep the navy, and a lot of you told me that you thought I should keep the navy, and I'm going to. However, I have stuck with my 1 in, 1 out rule. I'm happy to report that I have sold 2 bags, so I'm still this year sticking with the 1 in, 1 out rule. So I'm happy to report that. But let me just show you this, this beautiful blue one. Yeah, it's just such a pretty blue. It's coming up fairly true to color on camera. Maybe slightly different. This is almost like a teal, like a dark teal with a metallic sheen. It's hard to explain this blue color. Yeah, it's a little more teal in person, but yeah, it's beautiful. And it was made in France. I don't know if you can see that, which is nice. And I think this blue looks beautiful with the ruthenium. So here is the ruthenium chain, and here's the back. I just love the mini reissue. And so yes, now I have 3, which seems like a lot, but I love this more than the mini rectangulars, which I also have 3 of, for a few reasons. I've had a few questions about that, and I can do a video about that. I know I've compared them, but now that I've had a mini reissue for a while, and I've had mini rectangulars for years, I love this for the strap length because it's shorter than the mini rectangular, which I like where it sits on me, and I'm 5'4", and I like it for the 4 grommets so that I can double up the chain, which is a lot more convenient than not being able to do that. And for the capacity, it holds a little bit more than the mini rectangular. So so I really think I'm going to use all 3 of these a lot. And the price of this was the same as the black one. Let me just look at it. Yeah, it was 4,000 Canadian plus tax. And yeah, they call it blue if you're looking for it. And I'm gonna post the code or the item number, the Chanel item number for both the black and the blue in the description box. So in case you are trying to search for one, I will post that. So yeah, let me know what you think. So I'll just show you now my little collection of mini reissues. Yeah, I think they're all different enough to keep all 3. I love all 3, I really do. And I think I'm gonna get so much use out of them. They're just easy, carefree bags, and even this one I think is going to be pretty carefree. This leather is really sturdy and durable. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here just because I am exhausted, and I will do a review on these 2 at some point once I've used them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.